Good afternoon, everyone. Adam Holder here again from Nedlaw Living Walls, and welcome to another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw. So as you can see, we're back at headquarters again. We're in the final stretch though. We're almost about to move in, and it got me thinking about the topic for today's FAQ, which is, what if you're an owner or a developer and you're looking at adding a living wall to your project for a building that hasn't been built yet, it's still in the concept phase, and kind of how do you go about getting things going, getting the ball rolling? Well, I would recommend the first step is to reach out to a living wall designer such as Nedlaw as soon as you're thinking about it, before you even considered any drawings or before perhaps even any drawings have been laid out. The importance of this is just having the flexibility to be able to place things where they need to go. And getting us on the design team right at the beginning is of great importance, because we can speak with the architects, the engineers, the plumbing people, the contractors, and everybody that's going to be involved in the project, and everybody knows what they're getting into, and we can have those conversations beforehand and then make sure that everything goes smoothly. Some of the pitfalls are when we get introduced later on in the project, or perhaps even specified into a design, and we don't know anything about it. It can be very problematic. So if you're building a building before it's even been built, please call us and let us help you. That's what we're here for, and we're going to make it go really, really smoothly so you can have a successful project just like the one that we've got here. I want to thank you for taking the time here again this afternoon for another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw. I'm Adam Holder. Have a great weekend.